Lost me driver's license last week. Was doing doughies with the boys. I cranked me woofers past the funeral. Copped a fine for too much noise. Doing manies all through the suburbs. I'm a bloody legend, I know. Then I did a burnout in Macca's drive-through. Saw some chicks, so I whistled at them. I guess they mustn't have seen. So I chucked a Yui and tried it again. Yeah, today I sped through the suburbs. Next minute I heard the sound. Me burnout wasn't perfect, I can do a better one.
Those gloves don't touch my skin. Those gloves don't touch my skin.
I love to do your nails before someone gets hurt. Don't be such a flirt. I love to do those nails.
These nails have served me well. These nails have served me well. These nails have served me well. These nails have served me well.
What's that sound? I like that sound.
Hey, you went right through a red light, buddy.
Son of a
What was
shit.
that?
what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Fuck, boy. You're a fucker, man. See that?
I got it, Tim. Crank it, Jerry.
Fire truck, cop, fire truck. Go on. Nope, it's a ute. We got a ute. No, 3 more cop cars. No, 2 ambulances now. Oh, God, 3 more cop cars? What the freak? Oh God, there's a car on its side all fucked up. It's laying on its side. What is that? A Mazda. How the hell did you do that? God. And 3 other cars all left up, so they probably tried to do a crisscross with each other to get.
You know how to work under a deadline, how to work on a project, how to get things done, how to follow instructions, how to not leave. You are used to just talking and getting over on the bullshit.
What the fuck are you doing? You're in the wrong fucking lane.
One of the major things you learn when you go work. The leader and manager, because one day you will have employees. All you're used to doing is taking care of your own.
Seriously, mate, what is the point of that? For fuck's sake. Assholes in there. Huh, what a fuckwit. Well, this bus has been very silly. Unbroken line there, son. Wow. What an idiot. Don't let him in, he's gone beyond now. It's bus 602X, license plate is at 909E. He could have moved over earlier, but drove all the way down over the divider.
Slightly unusual, eh? Dominoes. Tim Horson's in the front again.
Jigga-nigga. What the fuck is this idiot doing? Fucking moron. Fucking idiot. Wow. We've got Cucumber, Pissant, 96, Asswipe, Beta Male, in a fucking right turn only lane across an unbroken line, goes straight while there's me and the car next to me are trying to do a zip merge. Genius.
No, goddammit, you shut up!
He was doing 30 k's on that road back there. Where are you turning?
Doing digital wallet.
Oh my god. You went into that at 10.
I do have the dash cam.
Dumbass. This is a sign for dumb or stupid. Or you're gonna slam that hand against your other hand to show the sign for dumb or stupid as being really intense.
You're a fucking idiot, aren't you? Where are you going, dickhead? Sort of, mate. Now what the fuck are you doing, you fucking idiot?
And what do? We end up looking like a monkey fucking a football out there.
Fuck me, you fucking muppet. You're a fucking idiot, mate. Red light, dickhead.
Human rights matters. We're here to fix your problems and will achieve the best possible result. No matter what stage your matter is at, contact me immediately, David Healy, at davidhealysolicitors.com.au. That's HEALEY for compensation.
104.7 traffic.
Rachel Burden's Cove, where your first consultation is free. A steady run this morning between Bungendore.
Hang on a minute, lads. I've got a great idea.